An active afternoon we're seeing here in southern Colorado. Notice here we got 2 severe thunderstorm warnings here at the moment, one expiring down to the south near Trinidad at 5:15 here. Notably, this one does have a flash flood warning associated with it, so some heavier rainfall coming down. And then also one southeast of Pueblo here. This is expiring at 5 p.m. there. Both of them gusting winds up to 60 miles an hour and also producing hail. So make sure you're remaining weather aware of that for the remainder of the evening, because as these storms start to push towards the eastern plains, notice that we could see some strong storms going into the evening hours. Here into the Pikes Peak region, by dinner time hours, we should be in the clear, if not sooner, which is good news for us, drying up there. But the eastern plains scooting off towards Kansas could see some stronger storms into the evening hours. Before the overnight hours, we should be good to go. So a pattern change is coming as we go into the weekend here. You'll notice that right now we have a more southwesterly flow here, but as we go into Saturday, notice here it turns very westerly. So remember this part of the map right here. If we go to this next slide, you'll see the water vapor imagery. Notice all this brown that looks on the map. This is dry air. So that is what's going to infiltrate into our neck of the woods here going into our Saturday. So when we have dry air coming in, that means that our dew points are going to fall off just a tad, and also storm chances and rain chances are going to go down. Temperatures will be on their way back up. So notice here, dew point Saturday morning into the 50s. By the afternoon, we're only in the 30s. The higher dew point values are off to the eastern plains here into the 60s. That's why coincidentally tomorrow, that's where we could see some of those severe storms there. So notice here, more likely here to the Kansas border, still could see a possible severe storm into La Junta, just east there of Pueblo. So we're going to remain mostly dry for our Saturday. Could see some showers and storms in the Pikes Peak region, very isolated. The bigger risk is towards the eastern plains. So notice here, a dry start to the morning, very spotty showers and storms into the higher country and also into the Pikes Peak region. Very, very spotty, that is. As it reaches those higher dew point values into the afternoon, that's that storm energy it's tapping into. You can notice the darker reds within these cells. This is heavier rainfall, could produce some gusty winds, also some hail as that scoots off into Kansas there. You can notice here highs tomorrow bump back up. We're into the upper 80s in Colorado Springs, 93 in Pueblo and along the Arkansas River. So much drier air starting to infiltrate in, so temperatures are going to be on the climb. We're even drier as we go into Sunday. Notice here temps, dew point temps get into the 30s and 20s in some spots. So that means that our rain chances are much more limited as we go into Sunday. And we also have very warm temperatures as well going into our Sunday afternoon. So 86 in the Springs, 81 in Monument, 88 up there in Denver, 93 in Pueblo and along the Arkansas River. So it's really shaping up to be a very warm weekend. But for now, we have those storms in the afternoon, 76 degrees here on the Phil Long Ford Motor City camera, gusting up to 20 miles an hour there. And here's a look outside of Pueblo, gusting 22 miles an hour on the Discount Motors cam, 77 degrees at the moment. Just saw some showers move through there. So we have storms today, storms tomorrow along the eastern plains, but generally we dry out going into Sunday and also into next week. Notice here hundreds all across the board for Pueblo. Dry air's here and it's here to stay into next week. Here's the same pattern in Colorado Springs, upper 80s for Sunday, but then we approach 90 and we're in the 90s for the start of next week. So that's a look at your forecast update. Back to y'all at the desk.